Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is to upload a high quality profile picture. So one of the easiest ways to solve the problem is to upload a high quality profile picture. So when you uploaded your current profile picture, it may have been compressed, resulting in a blurry or pixelated images. If you upload a high quality image that is already compressed to 640 by 640 pixels, you will be able to solve this issue. And you can choose a high quality image for your WhatsApp profile picture by opening the gallery or photos on your phone, and you may need to crop the image down to 640 by 640 pixels, then resize it using a photo editing program or website. So after resizing the image, save it and upload it to WhatsApp, and if you follow these steps, your profile picture should appear sharp and clear. And then if this method didn't fix the issue, what you can do next is to clear the WhatsApp cache. So it might be the WhatsApp cache causing blurry profiles if you uploaded a high quality image. So to speed up the app's performance, WhatsApp store images, videos, and messages in its cache. However, it can cause blurry profile pictures if the cache grows too large or becomes corrupted. So to do this, just go to your settings and then select apps and notifications and tap onto the WhatsApp, and then tap storage and then click clear cache to clear the WhatsApp cache. So WhatsApp will delete all temporary files, including your profile picture stored in its cache. So once the cache has been cleared out, open WhatsApp and upload your profile picture again. So hopefully this will fix WhatsApp is destroying the PFP quality of your profile picture. So what you can do lastly is to use a third party app. So using a third party that enhances images can also be a solution to fix a blurry WhatsApp profile picture. So photo editing applications for both Android and iOS devices can enhance an image's sharpness and clarity. Among these apps is Adobe Lightroom, which you can download from both Google Play and the App Store for free. So use a third party app. And you can import your profile picture into Adobe Lightroom by opening the app on your smartphone. And to enhance the quality of the image, just adjust sharpness, clarity, and other settings. And you can now export the image and upload it as your WhatsApp profile picture once you are satisfied with the results. So that's it for this video. Those are some steps or methods that you can try to do if your profile picture in your WhatsApp is blurry or it is low in quality. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.